Back in 2015, Gigabyte launched the 15.6-inch Aorus X5, an ultra-thin gaming laptop for enthusiasts. While the chassis was sleek for the time, it remained essentially the same for years. With competitors evolving to be even thinner and smaller, the X5 lineup was in need of an overhaul. Well, here in 2019, Gigabyte have delivered. This is the new 2019 Gigabyte Aorus 15. After quickly opening the box, we're greeted to the laptop itself and an accessories box. This box comes with a thin 180-watt adapter, some documentation, and a few extra screws and mounting brackets. Now, this laptop looks crazy. You get that awesome fighter jet design on the lid, and it even illuminates when it's powered on. We get that awesome thin bezel on the sides, giving you a nice 15.6-inch display in the form factor of a 14-inch. And this is an LG IPS 144Hz 1080p display. The color calibration looks great. The images have heaps of color and are sharp. I just love how thin this is. Weighs only 2.4 kgs, which is really impressive when we have a look at the specs. It's rocking the new 9th gen Intel Core i7-9750H. 2 RAM slots. This SKU comes with 16 gigs RAM and supports up to 32. You get a 512 M.2, but it supports up to 6 terabytes. There's a spare M.2 slot and a 2.5-inch drive slot. And you get a GTX 1660 Ti 6GB card. This thing is a powerhouse for modern gaming and media design. But what's the point in all these crazy specs if you can't cool it, right? Gigabyte have thought of that too. There is so much space for air to move in the base of this unit. And then under the hood, we find the wind force cooling system. 2 fans, 6 heat pipes, and 9 vents. It's an all Intel inside beast. You're getting top-of-the-line components from LG, Samsung, and Intel, all in a thin and light case you can take with you anywhere. Plus, this machine also has that fancy new Microsoft Azure AI running in the background. It learns automatically and dynamically switches power between different components depending on the software you're using. Pop into your local PBTech and check out one of our display units to get a closer look. It's stunning. I'm Eli from PBTech. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.